Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Rachel, and the other day a friend of mine told me that they don't know how to tie their shoelaces. Not only that, they tie their shoelaces, the laces keep on untying themselves, and that's something that I absolutely cannot tolerate. And I'm like, probably because you don't know how to tie your shoelaces well. So that's why in this video I'm going to explain to you exactly how I simply double knot my shoelaces and then I don't trip on them at all. And without further ado, let's get right into the content. Please forgive my shoes. I've been jump roping, so they may look a little bit not very clean, but yeah, as you can see, like I'm going to unlace or remove the shoelaces from the shoe, and I'll be showing you the whole shebang so that if there is anyone who doesn't know how to lace their shoes, here is the tutorial. I like to begin lacing my shoe from up here because like this will keep the shoe stable, like it will hold your foot down onto the shoe when you jump roping, and I put it in through this hole. Get this side. There is this first hole across, then get this other side of the lace, get in, and then like just basically crisscross. And then now that I've reached here, because I want my leg to be comfortable, I'm going to make sure that I both of my shoelaces through this hole. So then yeah, I just finished lacing up my shoe. Now that I'm done, I'm basically just going to tie. I tie the normal way like that, and then I tie it like this, and then I double knot my shoelace. Like I get these two, leave alone these ones, I get these two, and I tie like that. So yeah, that is basically how I do it. Please forgive my shoes. I've been jump roping, so they may look a little bit not very clean, but yeah, I've been jump roping, and like while you're jump roping, maybe dust particles can get on the shoe, but otherwise my shoes were clean prior to my exercise, so pardon me, these things are normal and I'm a jump roper. So yeah, basically that is exactly how I double knot my shoes. When you're jump roping, the knots are not going to come out. It's going to be like smooth journey, so smooth sailing. So yeah, that's it, and I hope you've learned a thing or two. Next time when you double knot your shoelaces and go and jump rope, I promise you your shoelaces won't come out unless you've not double knotted tightly, but your shoelaces are not going to undo themselves. And yeah, that's it from me, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.